Hey, what's going on, guys? Brandon with Taylorsfiresmoke Cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect roast beef every time. I happened to run across this technique scrolling the other day, but then when I saw it and I read up on it, I remember seeing Chef Jeff over at Old School Soul Food did the exact same thing on his prime rib. And the method basically is a high heat cook. So you'll turn your oven sky high, cook the roast for a short amount of time, turn the oven off, and continue to let it cook and rest for a couple hours after that, and the roast comes out perfect every time. Chef Jeff used the prime rib. I ain't got no prime rib today, but we're gonna do it on the eye round roast. First time trying it, but it turned out great. I'm gonna show you how it's done. I hope you enjoy. God bless. All right, guys, so here's our round eye roast. This is about a 3 1/4 pound roast here. So it calls basically for about 7 minutes per pound. At 475 degrees. Again, this is a technique that I just kind of ran across, but I do remember Chef Jeff at Old School Soul Food doing it as well on a prime rib. Unfortunately, I do not have a prime rib, but use the same technique on this eye round. So all we're going to season it with today, we're going to use some of this holy garlic and a black pepper. I want to add, try to get a nice little crust on the outside and then cook the roast to about a good medium on the inside, so a nice warm pink center and then a nice crusty outside. This is a technique this is new to me. I've never done it like this. Generally, I smoke my roasts if I'm not cutting them into steaks and making them like smothered or something like that. But I'm excited about it. Believe it's going to turn out really good, and after we're done eating it as a roast, it should make some really good roast beef sandwiches when it's done. So I might make a video of that as well, doing some open-faced roast beef sandwiches with gravy. So we'll see. So you just want to coat the outside really liberally. Holy garlic is really, really good. It has a black garlic on it, some salt, a little pepper, some spices, and it should provide a really nice crust for us when we cook. When we put it in our pan, we're not going to wrap it. We're not adding any juices or liquids or anything to it. We're just going to cook it on high, 475 degrees for about 21 minutes, 22 minutes. Then we're going to turn that oven off and let it sit in there for another 2.5 hours, and it should cook to our perfect temperature. So now we're going to add in our black pepper. Again, going nice and liberal with it. You slice your roast really thin, so you don't have to worry or make it seem like worry about it having a lot of seasoning on it, because when you slice it, you don't have any seasoning on the inside. We're not injecting or anything like that, just pure season and cooking. So, all right, let's kind of pick up the rest of this seasoning. Just using a shallow pan. I did coat the bottom. We're just gonna put that bad boy in. God bless. Jesus. All right. So I'm gonna put this in the oven, let it do its thing. I will see you guys in about 3 hours when it's done. So when it's ready, I'll bring you guys back and we'll see how we did. See you in a little bit. Here's our roast. Has a nice color to it, a nice crust on the outside. You can see those flakes of garlic and black pepper and everything in it. So it cooked up really, really well. You can see the juices and everything in the bottom of the pan. I'm super excited to see how it looks in the center. Again, I like my roast and steaks medium or just a hair under medium to medium. So the target temp for this was about 145 degrees. Let's go ahead and pull it out and see what we got. Glove up. So again, the process was 7 minutes. This was 3 pounds, like 3 1/4 pounds. So 7 minutes per pound. I went for about 23 to 24 minutes at 475 degrees. Then we shut the oven off, and it's allowed the roast to continue to cook and rest in the oven for another 2.5 hours. So the total total time for this process was about 3 hours. But let's go ahead on and crack this thing open and see what we're looking like. Alrighty. Oh, wow. Look how juicy that is. Perfect medium. Warm pink center. Super juicy. So I would say the preparation of cooking it this way was definitely a success. Let's go ahead and just cut off a thin little slice and see how it's tasting. Look at that. There's dripping juices. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Again. That is good. That's really good. Really, really good. So if you guys have issues or trouble with cooking roasts or trying to figure out another way to cook them, try this method. It definitely works. Try a round eye roast. A round eye roast is very, very cheap or inexpensive, but it does pack, you know, it's very meaty, very beefy. Just make sure you season the outside liberally with salt and pepper. If you don't have the seasonings I have, just make sure you season it liberally. Cook it by that method, 7 minutes per pound, $4.75, and it'll come out perfect every time. I'm sold on it, and I will definitely be doing this again. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you're not to be notified of our upcoming videos. Make sure to share. Till the next time, God bless. We'll see you around.